So today we have a special story for you.
Hey Tara, shall we tell them about Chaman too?
Yes, why not, Appa? Hey, you all will love Chaman. I love him. Yeah, तो एक बार की बात है, I was playing in the nearby park.
Watch.
आज खेल में कितना मजा आया ना?
बहुत मजा आया. कल मिलते हैं तारा, okay?
Okay, bye.
Bye. Hi.
Why are you sitting alone? Where are your friends? Hey, do you need a friend? I love making friends. I am Tara.
Sure. Hi Tara.
Hi.
I'm Chaman.
Oh, such a nice name, Chaman.
Oh, thank you.
What are you doing, Chaman?
Tara, I'm reading a book.
Oh, nice. Oh, wow. This book also seems nice. I love reading books too. Hey, can you read from the book a little bit for me?
Oh, really?
Yes.
Do you want to listen?
Yes, please.
Okay. Moo. Let's count the cows. 1, 2, 3. Moo. I like cows.
But how are you doing this, Chaman? You are looking somewhere else and you are only touching the book. Then how are you reading it?
Tara, I can't see. और जो देख नहीं सकते हैं वो ब्रेल में लिखी बुक्स पढ़ते हैं जिसमें उभरी हुई डॉट्स होती हैं. उन्हें छू के हमें पता चलता है कि क्या लिखा है. Do you wanna see?
Yes, I do want to touch it and see. Yeah. Oh, wow. This is amazing, Chaman. Oh my God, I also want to learn Braille now.
Sure, Tara. I will teach you.
Oh, will you, Chaman?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
It's lots of fun.
Yeah, it looks very interesting.
Yeah, I like it.
Okay, tell me more, Chaman. तुमको और क्या करना पसंद है?
मुझे गाना गाना पसंद है. मुझे खाना खाना पसंद है.
So funny. मुझे भी ये दोनों चीजें पसंद है.
Oh, really?
हाँ. अच्छा, friends?
Friends.
हाँ. तो चलो फिर मेरे घर चलो. पता है मेरे अप्पा ने बहुत अच्छी कुकीज बनाई है. हम वो खाएंगे और गाना गाएंगे और खेलेंगे भी.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Sure. एक मिनट मम्मी से पूछ लूं. मम्मी.
हाँ चमन.
मम्मी, क्या मैं तारा के साथ जाऊं क्या?
हाँ आंटी, पास में ही है. A401, please.
Okay, you can go, but take care. I'll come and pick you up in some time.
Thanks, Ma. Let's go.
Let's go.
Will you help me?
Yes.
Can you pass my stick?
Of course, Chaman. I always like to help.
Oh, thank you.
Appa, meet my new friend Chaman.
Hello, Chaman. Hello, Uncle.
अप्पा, पता है चमन को भी मेरी तरह गाना गाना पसंद है और खाना खाना पसंद है.
अरे वाह, गुड.
तो क्या आप हमारे लिए अपने वर्ल्ड बेस्ट कुकीज बनाएंगे प्लीज?
बिल्कुल. मैं कुकीज बनाता हूँ. तुम लोग गाना गाओ.
देखते पहले कौन फर्स्ट आता है.
ओके.
पता है जब भी मेरे फ्रेंड्स आते हैं ना घर पे, अप्पा ऐसे कुकीज और मिल्क देते हैं. टेस्टी है ना कुकीज?
वेरी टेस्टी.
और लो.
बहुत शांति है यहाँ. हमारे घर के पास बहुत ट्रैफिक है. तारा, यहाँ फ्लावर्स हैं क्या?
हाँ चमन, टू योर लेफ्ट टेबल पे. रोजेस है. हाँ,
Where?
दे हाँ हाँ.
Oh. I like flowers. Wow. Is it rose?
Yeah, roses. But Chaman, how did you know कि यहाँ आसपास flowers है?
You know, Tara, if you can't see, you can use your other senses. Where we are, Tara?
Oh, this is it's my music room.
Really?
Yes, there's a keyboard right in front of us. There.
Where?
Done? Yeah, right in front. There. Do you know how to play, Chaman?
Yes. I play with my dad.
Chaman? I'm sorry that you can't see.
Don't be sorry, Tara. Blind होना मेरे लिए उतना ही natural है जितना तुम्हारे लिए देखना. I feel fine. In fact, great.
Really?
Yes.
But I was thinking, what does it feel like, Chaman, to be blind?
It's like keeping your eyes closed all the time. Okay, Tara. Close your eyes.
Okay.
What do you see?
Nothing. I just see darkness.
Listen.
I can hear your voice, I can feel the air. I can touch the flower, I can smell the cookies there. I just can't see, but it's still great to be me. I can read my book, I can tell the story.
Your friend loves you, you don't need to worry.
We can hear the music, we can feel the air. We can touch the flower, we can smell the cookies there. What if I can't see? It's still great to be me. What if I can't see? It's still great to be me.
Oh, it's still great to be me.
But it's still great to be me. It's still great to be me.
क्या आपा मेरी मम्मी को कुकीज़ की रेसिपी देंगे?
Okay, I'll ask Appa to give. But then you will teach me Braille?
Okay, पक्का.
Now Tara has really become an includer. I am so proud of her.
Oh, it's so wonderful to be an includer. And we are not doing anybody any favor by including them. But we are doing ourselves a favor, as we may make great friends with some wonderful people that we would otherwise miss on if we weren't an includer. And we learn a lot of new things too. Like I can now read in darkness because I learned Braille from Chaman.
एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी कि आज से आप सब भी तारा की तरह और उसके दोस्तों की तरह इंक्लूडर्स बन गए. यू नाउ हैव द सुपर पावर टू इंक्लूड एंड बी काइंड. डोंट थिंक हाउ वी आर डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर. थिंक ऑफ हाउ वी आर सिमिलर एंड स्टार्ट राइट नाउ.
Yeah. Thank you so much for being with us today and for listening and watching our stories. Tara and Appa love you.
बाय बाय सुपर इंक्लूडर्स.
Bye bye, dosto.
बाय बाय.
It's still great to be me.
Oh, it's still great to be me.
But it's still great to be me. It's still great to be me.